Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to save someone's story on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to save someone's story on your Instagram, what you can do is select depending on what kind of story it is and what saving options are available. Saving a story that mentions to you is by what you can do here is simply head over and open up your Instagram app, and then once someone has tagged you, you'll get a direct message. So head over and slide to your DMs, and then once you're inside here, if somebody has tagged you, you'll be getting something like this on your screen. Simply tap on that story, and here you'll find the option that says add to story. Simply tap on that, and then all you gotta do is do your customizations, and then you'll find an option that says your story right here. Simply tap on that and your story will be posted. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.